Breaking news! It is Miss Morrill here reporting live from her house, and I am going over opinion writing because this week you're doing task 3. And this Nearpod is located on W2 of your activity list because you need to do a Oreo graphic organizer before you move to task 3. Alrighty, so your objective for task 3 is to make sure your paper introduces your topic, states your opinion, and gives readings with linking words and a conclusion. Your task 3 is, in your opinion, what is the most dangerous extreme weather? I know last week you did a lot of research on different types of extreme weather, but just for your memory, here are the types of extreme weather that you had to research in task 1, and then you picked your favorite type of extreme weather for task 2. Now, this is different than task 2. Task 2 was pick your favorite extreme weather. Task 3 is, what do you think is the most dangerous extreme weather? And that's what you're writing about. We have hurricanes, blizzards, earthquakes, droughts, tornadoes, and thunderstorms. So when you're doing this W2 paper, I would have out my task 1 and my rubric so that I can relook through all those facts that I wrote, and I can pick out what I think is the most dangerous extreme weather, and I can start writing why I have chosen that for the most dangerous extreme weather. Okay, now you saw these Oreos, and last week you actually did an Oreo paper, and we'll get to that. Okay, but it is Oreo writing because you're going to state your opinion, you're going to give your reason, an example, and then you're going to restate your opinion. Okay, so first, like I said, you're going to state your opinion on why you think maybe you picked blizzards are the most dangerous extreme weather. You're going to start by telling what you think. This is your opinion, so you're going to use phrases like I believe, I think, and in my opinion. So again, task 3, what type of weather do you think is the most dangerous? So you would say, in my opinion, I think that blizzards are the most dangerous extreme weather. Okay, that would be a great way to open your paper. Then you're going to start to state your reasons. You're going to give 3 reasons and examples that back up your opinion. Tell us why you chose that extreme weather. Use words like, the first reason is, the example I found in my research is, and then you're going to end your task 3 paper by stating your opinion again. You're going to finish by saying your opinion one more time, wrap it up nicely. Example, that's why I believe blizzards are the most dangerous extreme weather. Okay, so again, you're going to restate your opinion at the end. A lot of friends write their whole paper, but then they forget those endings. Okay, I put just the task 3 and 4 bit of rubric. And remember that like darker gray column is the practitioner column, and then we have our expert right here. Okay, so many more friends have their rubrics out. That's amazing. Keep them out. Okay, remember, to get practitioner, every sentence needs to start with a capital letter. Every place, every name. Okay, we need those capital letters in there. We also need 3 to 4 transition words. Those posters are still hanging in your classroom. Make sure you use them. That's like first, next, then, in conclusion. Okay, you need an opening and closing sentence. That's what we talked about. State your opinion. That's your opening. And then state your opinion again. That's your closing. Make sure that's in there. Punctuation, you know that. You need to include why your extreme weather is the most dangerous, include how to stay safe, how to prepare, and then 2 to 3 facts about that extreme weather. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Now, if you want practitioner or if you want expert, you are also going to need to create a poem on that dangerous weather that you chose. Now, your teachers are going to be having a little lesson on this expert column. Okay, so if you want expert, which we should always shoot for expert, always, 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 your teacher should not be asking you to do that expert level work. You should want to get better, grow your mind. You can do it. You're smart enough. I want you to try for expert every single time. Okay. Again, your teachers will be going over that in a different either video or small group or something for that expert level. Okay, so just wait for that. Um, um, so again, this is W2. So you're going to have to do W2, this paper first. After you finish this Nearpod, you're going to grab this paper from the resource table and you're going to plan out task 3. Okay, so you actually have to show your teacher this W2 paper completed, and they have to check this off before you move to task 3. Okay, because this is a way to organize your writing before you just start writing. Because we're on ALU 6, and I still see friends just grab the paper instead of even thinking about anything, we just start writing. Okay, some friends do have their rubric near them, but this is going to help us even more. Okay, and here is that O-R-E-O, and that is how you spell Oreo. That's why I've kind of included Oreos everywhere in here to remember. You want an opening sentence where you state your opinion, and then you're going to give 3 reasons with an example, and then you're going to state your opinion again. All right. So again, you're going to do W2, you're going to get it checked off with your teacher, then you can move to task 3. Here is Miss Morrell's example paper of task 3. Okay. I completed W2 before I wrote my paper. And as a reminder, this is Miss Morrell's paper, and I heard that some friends, they just paused their screen and took my words. Okay, if that happens, that's an email home. Okay, and that's not allowed. That's called plagiarism. Okay, and we're not going to do that anymore. We're going to use Miss Morrell's example so that we hear what a practitioner level paper sounds like. Okay, maybe we can use some of the same facts. Maybe we found the same facts, but it should be in your words. We want to hear your opinion, not Miss Morrell's opinion. Okay, even though Miss Morrell's amazing, we don't want to use her words. Okay, so I'm going to scoot it a little bit closer. I'm going to just read to you. I'm getting real close here because my eyes cannot see those words. Okay, here we go. I think tornadoes are the worst kind of extreme weather. First of all, tornadoes are very scary because they have strong winds that can go faster than 200 miles per hour. They can destroy houses, cars, trees in just a few minutes. Additionally, there's a transition word. Tornadoes can also hurt people and animals, which makes them very dangerous. One reason tornadoes are the most dangerous is because they can happen very quickly. Sometimes there is not much time to get ready. Most tornadoes can also be very hard to see. It is when it's dark and raining, this makes it hard to know how to stay safe. Did you know that some tornadoes can travel over 50 miles before they stop? That means that they're even more dangerous because they can cover a lot of ground. To stay safe during a tornado, you should go to a safe place, like a basement or a room with no windows. If you're outside, you should try to find a place like a ditch or lie down. It's also important to listen to the weather news so you know when a tornado might happen. For example, a tornado warning means that you need to take cover. To prepare for a tornado, families should have a safety plan. You can practice where to go and what to do if a tornado comes. Okay? And then in conclusion, tornadoes are the worst or the most dangerous because they're so fast and it's hard to warn people. However, if we know how to stay safe and prepare, we can hope to be ready for a tornado and hope that a tornado never happens near us. Okay? That's Miss Morrell's paper. Now, even me reading through my paper, I'm going to go to my next slide here. Even me reading through my paper right there, I heard some mistakes or some things that I would want to change. Okay, but that is my task 3 right there. Okay, so if that's my task 3, that's my rough draft. I can rewrite it and I can fix things, which is what you're going to do. W4 this week is all about revising. Okay, there's only a couple of papers in there, so you're just going to take it. You don't write anything on W4's paper. Okay, it's just showing you how you can edit your work before you give it to your teacher to check off. So once you finish writing task 3, you're going to review and revise your work. You're going to check out W4 if you don't know how to do this, and you're going to share your work with a partner. Miss Morrell just shared her work with you, and as I was listening to my words, I heard some mistakes, and I heard some words that I needed to either add or fix. Okay, reading your task out loud with a friend, you might find some things that you need to fix that you didn't notice when you were just reading in your head. Okay, I've had a lot of friends just bring me a paper up here. You haven't even reread it. Okay, and then you're having to go back to your C a lot to fix things that you can fix before you even bring it to your teacher. Okay, so you're gonna revise, say revise before you bring it to your teacher to get it checked off to see if you're going to task 3 or to task 4, or if you don't have to do task 4 because your task 3 was that good. Make sure you use your rubric for that, okay? So now it's your turn. First, you are going to complete the W2 Oreo paper. Next, you are going to get W2 checked off by your teacher. Then you're going to grab a task 3 paper and begin. Revise and share with a friend before you go to a teacher. Number 5 is get checked off and possibly either move to task 4 or you're done with task 3 and 4. Okay? So, this is how to write an opinion paper and what you need to do for task 3 and 4. Give me a thumbs up if you know what to do, because you're about to stand up and you're about to go get W2 from the resource table and a rubric and get your task one out. Okay? All right, have a good rest of your day, guys. Bye.